everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be doing, it looks like I've got some bunny company over here. I'm going to be doing a Goodwill haul, show you what I got, and I'll tell you the prices of everything. And let me pick up my bunny right here. Let's see, come here. This is little Shadow. This is my little black bunny. I cannot pick up the white bunny. We have a white bunny as well. We can't pick him up. He is so wild, and I don't know why. He just, when you try to pick him up, he goes crazy, scratching and jumping, and it's like dangerous to pick him up for him and us. But this one, he's just the sweetest little guy. He's 6 years old, and yeah, he's just so different and so lovable. Okay, anyway, let's see if I can do a thumbnail with me holding my bunny. I've done one before. He's so cute. All right, but I'm gonna give him a treat because he came up here and allowed me to pick him up. So let me put him down here, and I'm gonna give him a little treat. I got his little treat bag. A little treat container. What am I, the word I'm looking for? I don't know what it is. And here comes the other bunny. Do you want a snack? You want a snack too? Here you go. The white bunny, I don't know. What is the deal with him? Cinnabon is what we call him. Although my daughter renamed him Chunky. But he will not let me pick him up. He doesn't like to be touched or held or anything. You go to pet him and he's like, shoo, he's gone. I don't know if it's because he's a young rabbit and maybe he just hasn't gotten that, you know, to that age where he calms down. I really don't know, but he is something else. But this black rabbit here, he's still sitting on my lap, just eating treats. It's just, the difference is night and day, let me tell you, between these two rabbits. But they also have a big age gap too. All right, let me show you what I got at Goodwill. Hi, baby, are you gonna sit with me? Are you gonna sit with me? Huh? I don't think you can see him. He's down on my lap, just munching away. All right, but let me show you. I hardly ever buy jeans anymore because I do not know my size anymore. I was a size 2 about maybe a year and a half ago. And then it went up to a 4, and now I have no idea. So I just grabbed some jeans at Goodwill and a stack of them. Tried them on, didn't even look at the size. So let's see. These are just Levi's, and they are, I guess they call straight leg. And I don't even know. I'm gonna look, what size did I get? I did try them on, like I said. I don't know. What size are these? I don't even, a 6. These are a 6. Oh, I knew it. Anyway, but yeah, no, you know, I don't like distressing on my jeans, so they're just, you know, no holes or anything, just plain jeans, and they are stretchy, and I like them a lot. And for the jeans, they were $6.99. So yeah, pair of Levi's for $6.99, I can do that. And then I got another pair of jeans. Again, I didn't look at the size yet or anything. I'll look at the size now. But these are by Universal Thread here. I think that's a good name brand. These are a 4. That's weird, huh? How sometimes I can wear a 4 and sometimes I have to wear a 6. I don't know. I still have a pair of size 2 jeans that fit me too, but they were always on the bigger side. You know, I don't know. It's just weird. Every company is different when they make their jeans. But yeah, so these are nice. They look pretty much brand new. In fact, I mean, they really look brand new. If you look at the tag, it almost looks like they haven't been washed. I don't know. But again, just a straight leg jean, no distressing. So yeah, I like them a lot. So one size 4, one size 6. I did try on, like I said, a stack, and there was one that I was gonna buy, but it was kind of a low rise, like it fit like below my belly button, and although they fit, I just didn't feel comfortable. So I went back and forth. Should I get them? Should I not? I've got 2 little bunnies just staring at me down on the floor. But I didn't get them, obviously. I just got these 2. All right, let's move on to some sweaters. This is by Loft. And it's just, I like it. I love the colors. It's definitely not a winter sweater if you live in Illinois, because, you know, it's knitted, I guess you say. Knitted, is that what I'm looking for? Where you can kind of, you know, see that it's, I would not wear this in the winter, although I would if I had something under it. But yeah, it's just a size small sweater. It fits good, and the price was $4.99. Someone told me in the comments of my last Goodwill haul that their Goodwill charges more for shirts that have, or for clothes that have the tag still attached. I'm glad my Goodwill has not caught on to that yet. I hope they don't. But yeah, I'm like, oh no, don't do that to me. All right, this is another shirt that says the name of a place. I've been here. I didn't buy it there, but I have been here. There, here. I've been here. Destin, in Florida. Now, if you know, you know, when you go to a souvenir shop or whatever, a gift shop over wherever you're vacationing, you're gonna pay about 40, 50, 60 bucks for a sweatshirt or a sweater or whatever you want to call this. I think it's a mixture between a sweater and a sweatshirt. Yeah, it's a, I don't know. What is it even made out of? But anyway, it fits. It is a size small. And yeah, it just, I mean, you just can't find it. It's 52% cotton, 48% polyester. All right. But yeah, I like it a lot. And I have been there, so it's not just something that I bought. However, I do have one of those over here somewhere I haven't been. So Neil with What's the Deal, I will leave his channel linked below. He made fun of Goodwill a long time ago in a video, and he said how people can just go in and buy things of, you know, that say places that they've never been. And yeah, that's true. And I did it. I have to admit, what is going on here? I can't even see it. I've got like hair stuck to my neck. Okay. Anyway, yeah, this is really nice. I like it a lot. And it looks, again, to be new. I don't know. How much was this? $5.99. So, all right. I think this is the one where I've never been here. But you guys, this looks brand new. I couldn't pass it up. I've never been here. But look at this sweatshirt. It looks brand new. Did I say that already? Sandbell Island, Florida, endless summer. Look at this. I had to get it. It looks brand new. But it's by this company, I don't know, Ocean Drive, size medium sweatshirt. Fits great. I mean, I don't think it's ever even been washed. I really don't think it's been washed. But this was $5.99. So Neil, if you're watching, yeah, you know, I've never been here. But no one needs to know that, right? I like it. And if it didn't look brand new, I probably would not have bought it. I would have just kept looking and looking at different things. But caught my eye because of the color, because it was my size and it looks brand new. All right, so there's that. Then I got 2 more things over here. My daughter, my oldest daughter, she doesn't like these type of sweaters that look hairy. But I do, and I wear them a lot in the winter. But this is by So. I don't know. It's a popular brand. I think you can find this at Kohl's. But it's just a furry sweater. Nothing new with tags in this haul, I don't think. But $4.99. I see nothing wrong with it. I don't see any snags or holes, tears, nothing. So yeah, it's cute and I love the colors. So definitely we'll wear that in the winter. And then one more thing, I got another black cardigan, and this one's by The Loft. And this was $4.99 as well. And it's just a black cardigan to wear to work. So I like it. Very nice. And it's heavy, so yeah. I think I got some good things this time around again. And the jeans they kind of got me down because, you know, I've been going up in weight. I know, do something about it. That's what my husband would say. That's why I never complain about my weight, because my husband would just say, well, you can do something about it. That's something everyone can control. So yeah, I'm not going to complain about my weight. I already know. Anyway, let's move on from there. Everyone, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.